everyone, we are right now in Piazza della Repubblica. As you can see behind me, there's the famous carousel. Right in front of me, Via del Corso, where we're gonna go see the apartment of Firenze Rentals. Let's go. Here is Via del Corso, and the location here is perfect because we just came from Piazza della Repubblica. Here on my left, there's Piazza della Signoria, where's the statue, the copy of statue of David. On my right, Piazza del Duomo. And if you keep going straight in Via del Corso, a little bit after Via del Corso, you will reach Piazza Santa Croce. Now let's go see the apartment. Here we are, Corso 12. We're gonna go up to mini suite Corso. It's on the 4th floor with no elevator, so we're gonna do some exercise. We are now in mini suite Corso. It's a small apartment, but it has everything that you would need. The mattress and the pillows are memory foam, so a good night's sleep is guaranteed. There's no kitchen in this apartment, but there's this small corner here that's going to be very useful for anyone who stay here. There's a fridge, microwave, toaster, kettle, an espresso machine with the capsules, some plates and cups. Behind this sliding door, there's the bathroom. All the essentials of the bathroom are provided, like shampoo, body wash, toilet paper, and towels. And you will notice that it's very sunny and bright because there's a window in the ceiling. Even though Via del Corso is one of the busiest streets here in center Florence, but the doors of the balcony are soundproof. And if you take a look, you can see the tower of Palazzo Vecchia. Behind the sliding door, there's a relax area. And like in all apartments of Firenze Rentals, you will be provided the city map with some suggestions and this booklet that has all the important information you'll be interested in, like Wi-Fi, checkout, transfer, extra services, how to get to the mall, to the shopping malls, how to get around also the Tuscany area with a bus schedule, and the privacy disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao!